Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. So you've made it all the way through to part 6. You really should receive a badge or something. But since I can't do that, how about a virtual high five? Now today you're going to learn how to sign about 25 or so essential signs in ASL. Near the end of this video, we'll spend some time putting some of these common words to sentences so you can walk away with more items to use in an ASL conversation with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be notified. Also, be sure to check out our website, learnhowtosign.org, which we hope is a great tool for you to use as you learn American Sign Language. Let's learn how to sign some of the 150 essential signs in ASL. Now, it will help if you know that masculine and feminine signs are separate. All signs relating to a man are on the top of the head, and all feminine signs are on the bottom. So, with that being said, let's learn how to sign some family signs. Ant. Ant. It's the letter A twisting right at your chin. Ant. Baby. Baby. You're just rocking the baby. Baby. Boyfriend. Boyfriend. It's the sign boy and friend put together. Boyfriend. Brother. Brother. Your index finger is coming from your forehead down together. Brother. Cat. Cat. It's the cat's whiskers. Cat. Children. Children. It's like you're patting the heads of all the children. Children. Dating. Dating. You're doing D hands of two people meeting for a date. Dating. Divorced. Divorced. It's letter D hands going in separate directions. Divorced. Dog. Dog. You're slapping your thigh and showing the dog to come here. Dog. Family. Family. It's the letter F's in a group of people. Family. Father. Father. It's the 5 hand up at the top of the head where the masculine part is. Father. Girlfriend. Girlfriend. The sign girl and friend together. Girlfriend. Grandfather. Grandfather. It's like the sign father, but it bounces out. Grandfather. Grandmother. Grandmother. It's the sign mother, but it bounces out. Grandmother. Husband. Husband. It's the man that you're married to. Husband. Mother. Mother. It's the 5 hand on your chin. Mother. Nephew. Nephew. It's the letter N right here at the top of your head. Nephew. Niece. Niece. You're doing an N and shaking it at the bottom of your face. Niece. Sister. Sister. You're doing your index finger from your chin down together. Sister. Uncle. Uncle. It's the letter U twisting back and forth up at the top of the head. Uncle. Wife. Wife. Because it's the woman that you're married to. Wife. Clarification signs require facial expression, whether it's nodding your head that you understand or shaking your head that you don't. So, let's get started on clarification signs. Spell again. Spell again. You're just showing the sign for spelling something. And again. Spell again. Understand. Understand. It's like the light bulb is coming on. Understand. Don't understand. Don't understand. You do the sign understand, but shaking your head back and forth. Don't understand. No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. The sign no with I and don't understand. No, I don't understand. Please sign again. Please sign again. This is really useful if you've missed something being signed in the conversation and you want to see it again. Please sign again. Sign slow, please. It's the sign, slow, and please all together. Sign slow, please. Sorry, don't understand. Sorry, don't understand. Using the S for the sign sorry and showing that the light bulb isn't clicking on. Sorry, don't understand. Yes, yes. Your hand is representing your head nodding. Yes. If you've gone through all 5 of these videos, you know that it's bonus content time. So let's get started. In my family is my husband, my daughter, and my son. My family, husband, daughter, son. Whenever I have a list of things, I'm going to list how many there are in reference to them before I say it. My dog's name is Bennett. My dog name, Bennett. What is your grandma's name? Your grandma name what? When you're asking a WH question like what, put it at the end of the sentence and eyebrows down. Please sign that again. Please sign again. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand, I. Pointing back at yourself shows that you are done with your sentence. Congratulations, you did it! You made it through all 6 of our 150 essential ASL sign videos. If you missed any of the other 5 videos, there are links down in the description, or you can click up here for a playlist. I'm also so excited that you guys chose us to be a part of your journey when learning American Sign Language. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.